Assalamu alaikum students, hope you are doing well. Okay students, today I am going to tell you about new topic of KUW, that is plants. You can see this picture. These are seeds. When we sow seeds into the soil, then roots comes out underground, and after some days when we water that plant, then a stem and leaves also comes out. This part of a plant is called stem, where a plant can stand. These are leaves, and you all know that leaves are always in green color. And what is this? Yes, this is a flower. So these are some basic parts of a plant: roots, stem, leaves and flower. Now what you have to do at your home, you will draw a picture of a plant like this and color the basic parts of plants and learn their names as well. Okay students, thank you. Allah Hafiz.